I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to verify your eToro account, follow these straightforward steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your eToro account using your credentials. This is the first step to accessing your account settings, where you can start the verification process. Step 2. Navigate to verification. Once logged in, go to the settings section and find the verification tab. This is where you'll initiate the verification process. Step 3. Upload required documents. Prepare and upload the necessary documents for verification. Typically, you'll need a government-issued ID and a proof of address, such as a utility bill. Step 4. Confirm your identity. After uploading your documents, eToro will review them. You may receive an email confirming your identity or requesting additional information. Keep an eye on your inbox. Step 5. Wait for approval. Once your documents are submitted, wait for the approval process to complete. This can take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the volume of requests. Remember, if you upload a blurry document, it may delay the process, so ensure everything is clear and legible. Good luck with your verification, and happy trading!